I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. 8-page funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders.
Yeah. Pine tree trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar form until the doubt disappear. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex traded 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the apex heights to the trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal request, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. It's sidebar, heart, hold out sidebar.
Yo. What's up? What is cracking? Who we got up in here? We got Queen of Trades. What's going on? Yeezus. Tony Lanes. Kelvin. Miss K in the house. JLD54. Mac. Mr. Tactical. Chip Smith. What's up, Yeezus? How's it going? It's going good. Weekend's over. Sort of. We're back. Back at it. Good Friday. Ended up closing out Friday, just where I needed to be. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go over to Lucid. Signed in over there. Get that account fired up as well. So I pretty much locked in a payout on this builder. I got to make a little bit of money. So I'm gonna try to make a little bit of money on that. I don't need much. I think I need, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks maybe. How hard can that be? Well, that ain't right. There we go. Who else we got in the house? Tony Gold, what is going on? Let's get ready for the week. Yeah, Jip Smith, we're getting ready for the week. What did the market do on Friday? Let's do a little recap here. So we had that big push down there on Friday, ended up bouncing right back, kind of in the middle of the range, and then slowly started to fade the rest of the afternoon. Take a look at the 5-minute chart. Boy, it was just, wow, what a dump. So funny thing was that I ended up catching the top live right here that morning, Friday morning. Obviously, I mean, I wish I would have just held it the rest of the day, but we ended up catching 100 points out of it. And the funny thing is that it looked like very, very tiny. Like when he caught 100 points. So the volatility is still way up. Take a look at the daily. Daily chart is still, it's tried to bounce there on the daily. But overall, we'll get that downtrend. Although Thursday looked very, very strong. Friday kind of it went and pushed up and then came back and kind of consolidated within Thursday's range there. So we'll see. We'll see what we got. See if we get any gap ups or gap downs. What do you guys think? Think we're gonna get a gap up or a gap down tonight? K Dot in the house. Jabriz, Lay. Yeah, it was a good weekend. Good weekend. Felt a little uneventful, but just kind of relaxed, regrouped. Feels good. It's Mo, bro, in the house. I'm still on the eval on the accounts. About 1,500 on one, and the second one down 600. Oh, nothing wrong with that, Jesus. I mean, yeah, keep grinding. Up 1,500 on one of those, so almost got that pass. Think we're gonna gap up. 300-point gap up. According to Hyperliquid, we're gonna get a gap up. Yeah. We'll see. I mean, it kind of looks like it. I mean, the funny thing is that market was put in that hammer. It just as the market was closing, so it had that hammer candle. Bounced off that 260s. But we'll see. We'll have hand on the mouse, ready to go. Chilled out weekends are good. Yeah, it's kind of what I just chilled out this weekend. It was a rainy day the other day, so it's almost a Netflix and chill. I watched Rocky 2. I also watched the new Kevin Hart movie on Netflix. That was kind of funny. Not something I'd watch again, but I thought it was okay. Hey, what's up, Sherry? Bear Trader in the house. Britt Martin, what's going on? Christopher. Still saying 300 points. Let's go. Greg Acer in the house. Oh, yeah. We will do a Lucid giveaway. Let's get that fired up before I forget. We will do that towards the end of the stream. Just kind of spent a little bit of today just thinking about my game plan, like what I'm gonna do as far as my accounts go. New month rolling in. What I want to do is work on some daily payout accounts. So I think that's going to be my main goal, is getting some take profit trader accounts, getting those passed. Probably pick up some tomorrow or whenever. I am working on these Lucid accounts. I got those evals that I had picked up on stream the other day. One's at 1500, the other one's at 469. And then this, my pro account is up to 13,532. And the builder account is up to 2656. I only need a little bit of money. I can take out a payout. That'll be the third consecutive payout on this builder. So I don't really know what I need to make, but it's not much. I'm thinking like 20, 30, 40 bucks, something like that. How was the walk to McDonald's today? Yeah, I was just joking. Moon Rabbit, let's go. It's great. Pimp my moose, let's go. Greg Ace says smash that like. I couldn't agree more. What's up, Kelly Kaufman in the house? Trader 007, what's up? How'd you guys do on Friday? It made you laugh? Yeah. iTrade's in the house, what's going on? Hey, what's up, Andy Wills? 4 more minutes before that bell rings, before that casino opens. Let's go. Dude, my Fund of Futures gave me a free Rapid Sim funded because of the alpha bullshit. Oh, that's awesome, Moon Rabbit. Let's go. Yeah, tomorrow I will be on the My Fund of Futures round table, so that'll be fun. What's my initial bias? Don't have a clue. I think we get a little gap up, maybe. And that's kind of what the consensus is. So we get a little gap up. I don't know. I don't really have any biases. I think we could push up into this area. Maybe. That 829, 28,900s. I still think on the daily chart, though, that we can get down into this 26,000. I mean, not financial advice, but I still think we could get down into here, repair some of these daily gaps. I mean, we almost have a, yeah, we have like a gap down here at 24,000. You see this? I don't know if that's correct, but there is a gap, like an open gap, which is kind of nuts. You don't see that on a daily chart. I don't know how correct that is. And it was kind of rolling over that new contract too. So, but yeah, I mean, I think there's some room to the downside on the daily chart, whether we get that or not. Let's take a look. We got a few more minutes before the market opens. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory for this week. Let's see what we got for economic news. So let's see. Tomorrow we got ISM manufacturing PMI. Tuesday, employment, unemployment. Yeah, that's not really us. Actually, we have Jolt's job opening on Tuesday. And Friday we got non-farm. So Friday's non-farm. Besides that, there's really not a whole lot. Let's take a look at earnings real quick. might have some earnings. Oh, we got AMD tomorrow. No, Tuesday after the close. Yeah, so all I'm seeing, tomorrow we have Palantir after the close. And then, I'm just talking like major ones. And then AMD Tuesday after close. That's what I'm seeing right now for major earnings. AMD will be interesting. We have Disney too on Wednesday, but... I feel like no one cares about Disney anymore. All right, 30 seconds, guys. Good luck. Get the bid up to 617. Could be a big gap. Monster gap. Holy moly. We'll see. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's trade safe this week. All right, we got the big gap up, 28,560s. Pulling back in a little bit here. About a 250 point gap, open gap. Let's go. We like gaps. We like the gaps. Kind of gives us a nice little target, maybe. The funny thing is, we just ate back this whole dump on Friday. We just ate all of it back, like it meant nothing. Take a look at the hourly here real quick. Oof. I'm gonna go with it. This is just a kind of a tester here. Just gonna kind of go with it a little bit. I just need to make a little bit of money, maybe. Just one micro. See if I can get a little pump above that 30. If not, that's fine too. Come on, just give me a little more pump. Let's go with the gap here. Come on. A little more pump. Two micros. Oh, you pig. Oh man, it just wicked me. Oh, that ain't good. Wicked me by a point. I'm looking to make 30 bucks. Probably should have just went short or got my 30, but Trend is your friend, right? It's supposed to be. Oh, come on. Just a few more points here. Come on, baby. Unbelievable. Missed me by 1 point. That was so annoying. Come on, let's get it. Let's break that inside bar. The reason why I'm just going for a little bit here is because I just need to try to get that consistency target. I don't know exactly what I need to make, but come on, get up there. $28,605. Can't believe it. Yeah, it missed me by a point and 2 ticks for a payout. Literally. So hopefully we'll see what happens here, but it's not looking great. Just gonna hold it. Oh, you pig. Jack Boom in the house. Mopar. Queen of Trades. Who else we got up in here? We got Intmont Daily. What's going on? TJP. Wafa. Am I confident it goes up? No, I was just trying to use the volatility to get a few points. DCA into it? Yeah, I could, but I'd rather just take an L with 2 micros and then just scalp later and try to get my $100, whatever I need for consistency. I only need about 20, 30 bucks. I think I'm going to try to go for 30 bucks. And then I get that builder payout. But yeah. Trader Higgs, what's going on? Genius in the house. Arizona trades. This might fill the most gap. We are at resistance. Yeah, I mean, it could for sure. Silent Edge, what's going on? What's up? What's up? All right, we are fading back. I can't believe it. A little unlucky there. Got wicked. Wicked. Kind of looks like bull flag. Yeah, it does. A little early, but yeah, it sort of does. Got a low at 28,550 so far in this range. We'll hold through some heat. See if we can catch a bid here. It's a nice thing about the micros. You can just kind of hold through some heat. Back on up. All right, let's get a little squeeze here. Just give me 623.50. That's all I want. Nothing more. That should give me what I need for another $1,000 payout. Let's do it. I mean, if this bull flag, it looks like it's trying to break it. Let's go. All right, just smacked my blue line of resistance, my entry. The blue trend line. Come on, just give me like 5 points here. Come on, just pump it. Just a little bit. Just pop that 23.50. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I think that just locked in a payout. My Funded Futures. Let's go. Obviously not the best trade, but all I really wanted to do is just use the volatility at the market to get that 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and then turns out. So I think that might do it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this builder here. Yeah, so that should do it. I was at 325 was my largest day. I believe I made, I'm not sure what I made that day before. I think it was like 319. Might have been a little bit less, but I don't really remember. So that should lock in another builder. You can see the calendar right here. Let's go back to July. This would be the third consecutive payout on it. So that's 3 payouts. That's $3,000 out of this little baby 25K account. So you can't really beat that. So let's go. And then here we are going up through the highs. All right, now let's just wait for another trade here. The wick tickler, yeah. Little drawdown, little heat. What's up with the spread? Oh, it's just, that's Globex on, Globex can be wild like that. Just truck trader. Spread just can be nasty. Just low liquidity, low volume. Can kind of bounce back and forth, go a little nuts. Nice little bull flag break, Jesus. That was a very, very nice bull flag. Market needs to go down, so expect to push up. That was okay with me. Am I really this lucky? Take luck over skill every time. Is anyone having delayed data right now with Take Profit Trader? I don't know, Jason Neeson. So far, I got my Lucids and my funded futures are fired up and looking fine. Yeah, daily payouts is a box. Yeah, for sure. Lucid. Oh, well, my funded futures is a box coming out with end of day daily payouts. I don't know when and what the details are, but yeah, they're gonna come out with end of day drawdown. So that should be interesting. Probably a lot like Tradeify, I suspect. I don't know what's gonna happen. I suspect that they're gonna get rid of the builder accounts probably, and then maybe do rapid end of day accounts. That's kind of what I think, but I don't know. I know they're coming out with end of day trailing accounts. But yeah, nice little daily payout war going on. We like that. Bingo bango, Apple says. Bingo bango. All right, we are just pumping here. Let's see. Big gap. Makes you wonder if we try to run this wick, which is about 100 points higher. There is some room on the hourly to fill some gaps up in here too. Don't know if we'll get there, but there is some room. I expect a lot of volatility this week, which will be okay in my book. I've been liking the bear days where we've been getting those big drops. The volatility, the ranges are huge. 700, 800, 1,000 points. Spaces, what's going on? Took another 400 on that pop. I think I'm done until tomorrow morning since I don't have the best luck with Globex when I keep trading. Yeah, Rick, that's not a bad idea. I think what it is, the worst part is when you get caught in a bad trade during Globex, it can just, it robs you of all your mental reserves. Because if you get caught in a bad one and then it just kind of grinds you to death, those are always the worst. The gap is scary though. Yeah, but these Sunday night open gaps where they're this large can hold. So it'll be interesting to see what it does. If it wants to hold for a while. Let's take a look at the hourly one more time here. Kind of getting that slow grind up. Yeah. So my thing is right now, it's really, really tough to go long or short. It's really tough not to have that long bias because the bullish bias, just because we have that big open gap until we get back down in here and then and it looks like it's rolling over to try to fill it. Then for me, it's just I'm just probably going to look for longs, or try to look for longs, unless I see some sort of momentum to the downside. I just been burned so many times trying to go for these big moves, but doesn't mean you can't get some nice scalps both directions. Like we have a double inside bar break. Like, could we push down to 605? Yeah, probably 10 points. But, you know, kind of like that. Win a little more than that. Did you take your strategy? No. What's wrong with you? I don't know. Nice little death candle right here. That's a nice little move there. Boy, I hate that when I don't take my combo trades and strats. I just don't. Sometimes having that bias, that long bias, gets me in trouble. So when I come into the markets, unless we have an evident open gap or some sort of news candle or something like that, I just go. If people go, well, are you biased, long or short? I'm like, nah, I don't know. This was whatever the 5 minutes gonna give me. You were looking for that. You expected a big up move, but not like that. Yeah, that was a good one. Guys, exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join that giveaway. Giving away a 50K Lucid Flex account. Make sure you hit that like button though. What's up, Adam Daz? Another bull flag break here. I try a long on this eval here. Little bull flag break. I trade my evals pretty aggressively if you guys are new. I don't always I like to try to get them done and over with. There's a little pop up here. Might just scalp this. Watching the 5 too. I don't know if we have the volume to push it up through the high. We'll see. Just kind of looking up through that high. Just a little bull flag break again, but on the 2. There's like 6-7 points. Looking for like 10 or more if we can get it. So hopefully it doesn't want to just consolidate here on that 5 kind of range till the Asia open. It's kind of what I'm worried about right now, where I might be buying the top of this range. So anytime you have a big move like that during Globex, it tends to put in a little bit of range and then goes back and forth and gets a little ugly. Where I'm trying to trade on momentum and look for breakouts. So like normally something like this during New York, you take a little bull flag like that, you'll get a nice little pop, get another leg higher, maybe up towards the 60s, 80s, something like that. But where the volume kind of dies off, you kind of never know. Two times in the house. What's going on? Whew. Yeah, it's kind of pulling back into that range again. Kind of what I was afraid of. We'll see. See if it wants to go higher. Can you take us higher? Down about 10 points. Hey, what's up, OMH? What's up? I always lose. Adam Das. Well, if you flip a coin, it should be right around 50-50, so you should be able to win about half the time. At least. So, you'll be good there. Oh, come on. You're just gonna do the fade lower thing. Yep, right back into that range. I had that feeling. It was a numb feeling, but I had that feeling. It was a little bit numb. Okay. Bought that 600s. Come on, give me a little bounce. DCA for the win. Watch the little psych levels of 600 bounce. Could we get up there? Take one off. Little harami break here. Might even add into this harami break. My fear is that it just chops. That's my fear. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Hey, Adrian Chong in the house. What is up? World dice are cold tonight. Yeah. There we go. This is a little pop. I'm gonna add into this. A little dangerous. See if we get a little expansion off that Harami. Come on, do it for the stream. Right back in. You son of a gun. Ah. Oh, you pig. Yeah, no momentum, no expansion. I was up pretty good on that trade. Now we're looking a little bear flaggish. Let's see. Sitting right at the blue line of resistance, right at my entry, which is right dead smack in the middle of this range here. See if we get a break above 630s. It's getting tighter and tighter here. Captain Rex in the house. What's going on? Ooh, Investors. What's going on? What's up? What's up? Yeah, just getting really super choppy right here. Chop zone. We got 30 minutes before the top of the hour here. First 30 minutes in. Nice little pop. We got a gap up right around 240 points or so. Open gap. And now it's just consolidating. Getting wicky. Wiki on the 5, getting real tight. I might just get out of this trade. It's just save myself some mental capital here. Geez, I was about 700 in profit too. I should have took that now in hindsight. It looked like once it started to break above there, though, off this, it looked like it might try to head for that high. So I was kind of hoping for that. Could get a little, get this account passed. That would have been nice. All right, we do have a combo trade on the 2-minute. I'd like to see a break of 23, 24. Look like we might put in a double inside bar on the 5-minute too. What's up, son of Wall Street in the house? Taking a long time to move, dang. Yeah, no, it's just, it's crap. Greetings. How are we feeling about the perimeters of a deal? Don't know what that means. Let's make a deal. But if you want to make a deal with me, it's going to cost you at least 5 figures. At least. All right, we are just chop fast, guys. This is a complete coin flip at the moment. The only thing that I got going for me is that the market overall looking bullish because of the gap up. It's the only thing I got going in my favor. Besides that is just complete coin flip. Which means I probably should just get out of the trade, but you never know. Eval could get a little lucky and break up towards that high, and then we'll get this account passed. Oh, recent Trump quote had that as a typo. Oh, okay. I was wondering. SOS. I didn't know if you were a bot or what, so I had to check. Oh, this is gross. All right, Coach Fred, what is up? The art of the deal. That's right. We just locked in a nice little another builder payout, Coach Fred, for 1,000. So we'll take that. That's three in a row on that builder. Now the question is, do I blow the account? I'm just kidding. I'm not going to intentionally blow the account. I might just try to build up a bigger buffer. What I don't want to do is go in with a live account with $1,000 drawdown. That's what I don't want. Where they start to see you're being pretty consistent on that account. And that one, I mean, I've been crushing it, so definitely don't want to do that. If you're gonna put me in the live with this pro right here. We'll take that. 218 people watching, 115 likes, guys. Go ahead and do me a favor, smash that like button. We will do a Lucid giveaway in a little while. 50K Lucid Flex, exclamation point Pine in the chat. I might get out of this trade because it's gonna rob me of all my mental capital for the rest of the week. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Inside, outside, inside, inside. I think that's a tune. Inside, outside, inside, 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 outside, inside, inside. Someone put that to a beat. And right back up. No, I haven't even done my taxes from last year at Ike DC. I haven't even done my taxes. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Although I am getting better because as of today, I started writing down August. Started writing down my expenses, payouts. First expense, $79.90 for TradingView. So as of today, so ask me at the end of the month, Ike DC, and see if I actually stuck with it. I looked at Google Docs for a minute, or Google Sheets, and then I was like, no, I'm just gonna go pen to paper. So it's funny you say that because literally just as I hopped on stream, this is gonna be my bookkeeping. I started off in January doing, so January, February, I did it. And I had, and then I stopped. I had $82,622 in payouts in January, February. And I spent $32,000. So that was January, February, and then I never kept any track after that. And that's the full honest truth. After that, it's all just blanks. So just over halfway through the year, I said to myself, okay, time to like be better at bookkeeping. So there it is. That's okay. They give you 10 years before they come get all. Oh, I'll pay all my taxes. I filed the extension. I didn't do it, but I'm gonna work on that. I gotta do that. Yeah, that's what I do, Visible ID now. I didn't last year, but yeah, I just have one credit card that has all my expenses for the most part. But every once in a while, I pull it out by mistake and use it at like Dunkin' Donuts, and I go, whoops. I mean, I was talking. So if I'm in Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru and I'm on the phone talking business, I mean that counts, right? How come you never take a big payout after running an account up? Why do you even care about leaderboards? Clout. Getting popular. Yeah, chasing big numbers to try to be popular on YouTube, that kind of stuff. You know, women, no, I got that. I'm all right there. What's up, Design Knob? No, I was trying to run it up. I was trying to get a $100,000 payout. I mean, that's it. I'm out of that account. I lost bigly on that. So kind of breaking down here. I don't know. Careful on the replay. Oh yeah, Coach Fred, good call. No, really, like my funded futures, they got it in my head. I was just trying to look for those big payouts, and really just to max it out in one shot. I thought that I could do it. I mean, people say, well, why didn't you just take the payout? Well, I thought I could make more money. That's why. and trading them aggressively. So, you know, that's why. What's up, Turg in the house? Holding 600s. Piss me off. I mean, this should break down here. I mean, we're kind of breaking that 5-minute structure a little bit. Thinking about going short. Just lost 800 on that trade, but thinking about going short on this account. But maybe we just put in a range here. But looking at this structure break, who knows? It could roll back over. I have a feeling that I could just get chopped up bad tonight. We'll see. Just remember, the only thing I'm risking is what I paid for the eval, which is about $100. So that's what I'm risking. These are just evals. I am short too. Let's get a little expansion here. Short 3. Get a little rollover. Do have a bunch of zero prints to the downside. And popped right back up. You son of a bitch. I'm short on those ones too. Short on both. A little 5-minute structure break. If it didn't want to go up, maybe it wants to go down. But it tried. It tried to push up. Now we're kind of breaking this 5. Maybe we pull back and test some of that area. 2-minute Harami here. I like when it breaks structures like this on the higher time frames. Oftentimes you get some nice trades out of it. Come on, get down there. So this is one of those Lucid daily accounts. It's the first one I've ever had. Estonian day trader. Tomorrow I can take my max payout from a Lucid 50K flex. Let's go. Smash the confetti for Estonian day trader. Congratulations. Max payout land, Lucid flex. Love that. Ian wants to pull down. I hope so. You lost that account? No. No, I didn't lose any account. I stopped out though. Flip the switch though. I went flip mode. So we're going flip mode on that. Second payout, let's go. Look at the confettis for you, Estonian. Let's go. Second payout, love that. It won't be your second payout. The second payout won't be your last payout, I should say. I know it. All right, I'm really aggressive on this. Take here we go. Let's take off 2 there. Let's take off 2 there. Stop and break even on that one. Actually, I'm just gonna get out of this one. Leave the runner on this one. So got a little bit back of that money on that first trade. I think I'm down like 200, 300 bucks on that flex, but we're up now 606 on this one. Maybe we get a little rollover. They're currently up right around 10 points, 10, 12 points. Can we get a little more? Give me some more. Give me some more. We went flip mode on them. We do have some zero prints down in this area. You can see. Can we catch the move? It's going, but it's not going very fast. Stops it even. Testing this bottom of this range here on the 2. Is that an equal low down there? Ooh, it is an equal low. All right, I'm getting a little crazy here. I'm adding into this. Getting real crazy. Adding more. Equal low down there at 82. Top of the hour here in, let's see, 7 minutes. Come on, run that 82 there. So we have these equal lows down on the 5. I think we run them. Added real aggressive again on this trade. Just give me a few points here. Few points, come on. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it. Ooh, bought right back up there. Just teasing now. I'm short again on the flex. I'm short on everything. Looking for 82 or 81.50. Looking for that 82 to get run. Down there, man. We have a single print sitting right there too, 81.75. There it is. Boom. Up 1,000 on that bad boy. Up 328 now. So we're green all around. Green everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Let's go. So that little equal low got ran there. Let's wait for another setup. See, so up 328 on this one. Up 1,000 on this one. These are both evals. This is a Lucid Daily and a Lucid Flex that we started on stream on Thursday night, actually. And then locked in a whopping $30 on the My Funded Futures Builder account to get a payout, I hope. It should hit that consistency. So 28 bucks, which should be just enough to get me that 50% that I needed. I needed a little extra for 3 consecutive payouts on that little baby account for 1,000 each. So gonna keep it rolling. I don't know, Ike DC. People are talking about data delay right now with Take Profit Trader as well. I currently don't have any data delay. I'm on Lucid right now, so kind of weird. Someone was just saying that was, yeah, it's weird. Why didn't I take the 400? Because I'm a baller. Smokey in the house. 5 payouts on the 50K, 25K builder and sent to live automatically. Yes. Yeah. So they can move you at any time, but once you hit 5 payouts in a row, Brian, and I don't really want to go. I don't want to go live with a 25K builder account. I have zero interest in that. So hopefully Lucid is good. Yeah, we love Lucid. Code Pine, if you're picking up any Lucid accounts, appreciate the support. We are giving away a 50K Lucid Flex account tonight to one lucky winner. We gave away an account every single day last week. So I'm gonna start this week off right. I don't know if I'll have enough accounts to give away this week, but we'll see. I mean, every day for this week, but it is a new month. Maybe I'll hit up some Apex and some, you know, I haven't hit up Tradeify in a long time, so maybe I'll hit up Tradeify, see if I can get like some accounts. We'll see. I hope one, yeah, maybe. What's up, iTrades? Thank you. Blood pressure's now stapling. Yeah. Who else we got in opinion here? Did I miss anyone? Pop Stop Gourmet. Popcorn in the house. What's going on, man? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. All right, yeah, we pushed down here. 580s. I kind of like it. Top of the hour here in 2 minutes, so we'll see. But nice little structure break on the 5, little trend line structure. Once we broke that, bias kind of went to the short side, and it paid off. Now we are just kind of selling off here. Are we gonna hold? Are we gonna go down to the low, or are we gonna trap all the sellers right now? pop this bad boy back up. But right now, it looks like we're trying to go back into the gap, the open gap, which is wide open right here. So we'll see here. 1 minute before the top of the hour. Cup horn, yeah. See Cove's in his alt account. Welcome. All right, we are all right. Look at that bounce there, 560s, crazy, 17-point bounce. How you guys doing tonight? You guys doing all right? How are we managing tonight? We've been slinging some contracts. We're going back and forth. Long finally, yeah, it might be a good long here. Top of the hour here, we'll see. These Sunday night open gaps can hold pretty strong, especially when they're this large. If you got like a, say, 20-pointer, 30-point open gap, those tend to get filled pretty quickly. But when the market looks that strong, I mean, you get the gap for a reason. So we'll see what's going to happen here. This is the top of the hour. Just all kinds of volume just pumped into the market there. No. We got Tokyo in 1 hour. Being patient over here, watching some volume. Yeah. You got 1 hour, Trader Higgs, and then the Tokyo will open and should see some fireworks, especially because we had the open gap. So kind of a repeat of last Sunday, really. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. We're going down to $1 million from payouts. Link clicks going live, yeah. Taking a long 5 minis, nice trade. No trades yet. Hate this PA right now. I wait for a gap fill. I trades, nice. You might. Who knows how long you'd be waiting for that, but it could happen any moment. You never know. All it takes is one tweet and send this bad boy down. Take a look at the hourly here real quick. Kind of bearish hourly candle. Projected at 641s. This next hour should be interesting. I don't know why I have this feeling that this next hour could just put it in an inside bar. But, yeah, I don't know. Exclamation point Pine if you want to join the giveaway. We'll do a giveaway in about 40 minutes or so. Maybe sooner if the PA doesn't pick up, and then I'll quit a little early tonight, but we'll see. $7K on the 250K rebill. Oh, wow. Tokyo could be interesting with the active yen intervention. Yeah, that is true. I guess there is some headlines with that. John B with a tweet. Iran denies Trump claims on a straight-up Hormuz agreement and rejects the assertion that Iran requested a halt to be planned attack. Too easy, Smokey says. Short. Short on that flex. This is the one I've been struggling with a little bit. Short on both. $64, I hit consistency rule, so let's see if I can do that. Right around 12 points is what I'm looking for. Come on, a little bear flag break. Come on, do it. Pay me what I'm owed. Come on, give me 64. 64 one time. Don't do that. Am I still here? My stream just went out. My internet just went out. Yeah, I guess I'm still here. I'm still live. All right. Everything just went black. I'm back. Internet's a little laggy. Great. All right, give me 64 here. Give me that banger. Get me 50% consistency on this account. Come on, yeah. 50%. Let's go. See if we can get this count passed. Let's add into the winner here. Let's get this one passed here. Come on, do it. Bunch of zero prints down here. 554. Dropping like a rock. What's being giveaway tonight? 50K Lucid Flex account. When you smash that like button. Take two off right here. banger. So another $400 to get this account passed. $20 points. Well, we started out a little shaky, but man, we've been beating up the market. See if we can keep it rolling. Is that a gap fill down MNQ? Yeah, this is a massive gap, open gap from 549 to 314-ish, depending on the time frame you're looking at. All right, I'm gonna sell here. I mean, I'm gonna exit here. We'll just wait for another setup. All right, up 1,000 now on this flex. Up 1,500 on this Lucid daily account. So I've been trading them separately too. It's pretty much same trades, just we could keep going lower. We could get into that gap. I don't know. I'm just scared to wait to see what we got. I just need another $450 to get this account passed. How hard can it be? Shake the money. Yeah. I just like to get these. I just want to build up some accounts this week. That's kind of the goal. I want to work on take profit trader accounts, get some daily payouts. But we picked up some of these Lucids last Thursday. Because you guys wanted me to trade some Lucids, so I'm trying to get them passed here. All right, I'm looking for either 20 points or about 10 points. Two minis. That's the options. But I need about $400. Nice little pop there off that low. Oof. So far we're into the open gap here, but holding. I think this Tokyo is going to be a little wild. Yeah, it could, Brian. Yeah, for sure. I mean, the gap holding so far. I would more or less like to see it come down into the halfway point, maybe half gap, and then see if it wants to react off that. But right now, we dipped down below and started squeezing up again. So we'll see. I don't know. I might look for another short if I get a little reversal. See what happens. Oh, maybe it was someone saying, yeah, the open 565s. Yeah, you're right. So we're just below that opening price now. Blown. Oh no, Coach Fred. Damn, I need that 250K. Yeah, I mean, kind of smash it past those sometimes, right? All right, we are getting a little pop. I don't know. This is a little crazy, but I mean, this is an outside bar break, so I am going to take a long here. Maybe kind of inch away at that 20 points that I need. See if we can pop up to that 70s. If this presents a harami, what I'll do is I'll just flip the switch. But gonna look for, just kind of chip away at it. I don't really want to go in 2 minis and then look for 10 points because I don't feel that confident on this. But see if we get a little gap fill here just for a little scalp. Kind of like this. Come on. Give me some mo. It's right at that opening price, 565 actually. Yeah, that's definitely a spot of resistance. It just hesitated. Not even gonna look for that much. 150 bucks if I can get it. All right, 2-minute harami here. If we break that harami to the upside right where my take profit is, I'm kind of interested in holding for a little more. So high is 65.75. I might take this off. Just wait for the break. Yeah, I'm taking off. No harm, no foul on that one. Little harami break here. I don't know if I trust it, but Exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Giving away a Lucid 50K Flex account. Thank you for using code PINE with Lucid. Appreciate that. Or with any other of the props. Finding support, you think? I was just looking for a little scalp, like 10 points up into this gap. But I mean, overall, after that structure break, it would kind of, I mean, it makes sense to come back into this area, at least test 524, maybe half gap, something, but I think we will fall into the gap. I just don't know when. I'm going to short here. Stop, kind of mental stop, but above that 560s. See if I can get my 20 points. I don't know. Oh. Instant right back up. This was kind of based off this harami break to the downside. Oh, the volume just went dead. Don't like that. Getting choppy down here at the lows. 28,558. I'm short. Looking for 400 bucks. I think I might be better off just to wait for the Tokyo Open. But if I can get a little roll over here. Oh, come on, get down there. Yeah, just getting real choppy here. Oh, you fucking pig. That little gap fill there. Ugh. Short squeeze. Well, damn it. See if I get a little lucky. The nice thing is the end of day drawdown. That's the nice thing. That's what I'm utilizing right now. Wow, what a pig. Gap holding. Oh, well, I got 1,200 left and drawdown. Oh, that was so close. That sucks. It is what it is. Still up 1,500 on this one, but man, that was close. I only need about $400 past that. Get that little squeeze going. It's all good. Oof. But yeah, just that was nasty. Another 5-minute structure break to the upside. So perhaps that gap's going to hold. See, man. Try a little long here. See if we get a little more squeeze on. Or is that the catalyst to bring us back down? I don't know. But nice little structure break. I was only looking for like 10 points too. 28,588. That's what my entry is. Get about 1,200 in drawdown. You're the catalyst? Yeah. So back above the open, which was 65, it hesitated. And then once it busted through that open at 65, it just popped, squeezed hard. I feel like I should just wait till Tokyo Open now. See if I can try again. Four minis crazy. Well, just remember that I'm only risking $100. So I'm only risking $100. And my pass rate is right around 60 to 70% on these evals usually. So I'm just trying to get it past. And I kind of like the squeeze here. Yeah, 4 minis light. It's the only that's my max. But if we can get a nice little pop at 600s, be all right. But I might be better off just to wait for Tokyo, you know. The old Tokyo Open. Little double inside bar break. Don't like that. All right, bottom of the hour here in just 15 seconds. Just chopping around. This is the bottom of the hour. See if we can bull flag this. All right, resistance at 600s. Took one off. Kind of like this flag break though. Some off on there. Just made 700 on my pro funded. Let's go. Come on, let's squeeze now. Come on, squeeze it. Let me back down. Ba-ba. $28 600s. Come on, that's what I'm looking for. Break above that. Usually getting a little choppy. Well, there was a quick pop out of nowhere. What was that? All right, I'm back in. You see that wick? That was quick. Went up to 605.75 like a rocket, and then pulled right back in. Come on, 5-minute structure break again. 28,586. It's not looking good. Two-minute Harami. Let's get above 590. Get above that 590. Get up there. Getting a little choppy, yeah. Am I trading an eval? Both. Yeah. Just took a long. This right here that you're seeing is so I've taken 2 funded trades tonight and 2 evals. So two funded, 2 evals. Locked in a builder payout on 1 funded, and then got my pro, made 721 on the pro funded. This eval is the only one that's been beat up. I was about 400 from passing the stupid thing. I was down on it, and then I was up, and then now I'm back down. It's just I can't get it rolling. Now we're in chop zone, chop fest. I might just close it out. Broke the 2-minute outside candle to the downside, and then now is putting in an inside candle on the 2-minute. It looks like we might just fall through the floor here and push down into that 60s again. It's kind of how it feels at the moment. I really think we might push down here. I might get out of this trade. Maybe. Oh, putting in that golfing candle here. I might get a little... Wow, what a chop. I mean, that is just gross. Get a little lucky here. Oh. Big outside candle now. Combo trade back up. I know, it's just... It's like combo. This is just gross. I mean, it kind of makes sense about 20 minutes before Tokyo Open when we have a big, huge gap to the downside, and people are just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen here. Makes sense. Yeah, this is... I think we're going down now. That just, like, completely faked out everyone. See if I can get some change spared here. Right back up. I'm out. Short. Oh, I got about $500 worth of drawdown. Probably get smoked. Oh, come on. Push down and fill this gap here at 65. Damn, I only need about $400 past that account too. Damn it. I hate evals. Wow, that goes out of eval. Well, I hit consistency on this one. This one didn't fare so well, unfortunately. So that sucked, but oh well. It is what it is. Tried. Try to pass it in 2 days. Tokyo Open in right around 22 minutes. So it should be interesting. Just getting super choppy now. Ba-ba-bum. So tomorrow I need right around, let's see, right around $1,000 to get this one passed. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And that's one of those Lucid daily accounts. So try to get that one passed. So try to load up, try to get 5 going. All right, now it's getting a little squeeze on. Squeezing up towards that high. So 15 minutes before the Tokyo Open, you're starting to see a little flare. Little Ric Flair. All right, let's get ready to do a giveaway here. Fakeruski, yeah. Whew, I was holding that short. I was breathing and relaxing. I was holding that short. But yeah, so anyways, lost that eval on the Lucid. Locked in a my fun. Let's do a giveaway here. Locked in a payout with the builder. Lucid eval flex cabooshed. Lucid direct eval $1,500 consistency. My Funny Futures funded pro up 1,200. So kind of a mixed bag. Currently got the My Funny Futures Pro up to $14,700. Hopefully we can get a payout on that bad boy. But let's get ready to do a giveaway here. Let me refresh this. Let's refresh the giveaway. Come on. Why can't I? So yeah, kind of a not a bad night. Just got a little too jumpy on that flex. Okay, what's going on here? Come on, Streamlabs, don't fail me now. All right, here we go. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do it. What's everyone think? You guys think up or down for the Tokyo Open? That's gonna be I hate it when you're that close to passing. Ugh. Drives me nuts. How many people we got watching? 271. All right, closing entries. We got 272 in. So 271 watching, 272 in. I like that. Let's do a moose race. Let's go. Come on, come on. Guys, thanks for the support. Thank you for using code PINE. I appreciate that. Kind of a mixed bag tonight. Wasn't too bad, but a little disappointed. Lost that eval, but it is what it is. Eval lives do matter, but you know what I mean. Okay. We got it. Let's go. Let's do it. Shuffling characters. 272 people in the race. 270 people watching. Shuffling them up. Shuffling them up. Good luck, everyone. Should be a lot of fun here. We got the Tick Pirate on the inside lane. Fight for that lead. W Kevin 9054. I am happy that I got a nice cushion on the Pro funded today already this tonight, so that's I usually do pretty good building upon those, so So let's go for that big payout here. P long, yeah, it happens. Gosh, it's just I was actually probably closer to like 200 something, because that first trade I was in up about 180, 200 bucks, and I only needed 400. So that's what kind of sucks. Oh, it's tough. A little too aggressive. Yacht trades, True Hand, Tick Pirate still up in the middle. Mopar 300S up to the top there. W Kevin. Wow, Tick Pirate, you're out to the lead now. 10 seconds to go. Hit the boost, hit the boost. Tech Review Futures. Let's go. Wow. What a big win. Tech Review Futures with a huge win. Stargazer in last place. Congratulations. Ooh, are we gonna take out the high here? Oh yeah, let's go. Tech Review Futures. Are you in the Discord? First win ever. Let's go. Are you in the Discord by chance, Tech Review? Sherry's still in the race. She's not giving up. If you're not, that's fine. If anyone wants to join the Discord, it's completely free. There's a Discord link. The link. Woof, market's picking up, guys. This is going to be some really nice volatility, I think. Yeah, it sucks I lost that eval, but the nice thing was that was a kind of a freebie in a way. It was a reset from that that couple Fridays ago. I didn't even know I had it. Apparently I blew it a few Fridays ago, and then it was just sitting there. I actually have this account right here. I don't wonder if I can even place a trade on it. Oh yeah, I can. This kind of has $26 a drawdown. $26 in drawdown. Let's see if we can bring it back. That was a quick 10 points. Down, but not out. Let's see if we can catch a move here. One micro. Let's bring it back from the depths. Come on, break down below that 560. I'll add into this. Oh, looks like it might get... Geez, it instantly went about 15 points, 20 points. Oh, that might be it. Yeah, up to on that. All right, so I got one one Lucid eval that hopefully I can get past tomorrow. follow the Discord link. All right, cool. What's your handle on Discord? Which one? I just had 2 people join. I'll hit you up. Thanks, Tim and Tyler, hitting up that Discord. Food pictures in the Discord? Yeah. Heck yeah. Couple more minutes before the chaos. Yeah, for sure. TMML. All right, cool. Okay. Let's see. I'll hook you up here. All right, let's see what we got going on here. So yeah, so you guys are just tuning in. A little mixed bag tonight. Ended up blowing one eval. Got 50% on another eval. Got to a payout on a pro. And made a little money on, a payout on a builder. And made a little money on a pro. So, kind of, I think, a little disappointed on how I managed that last account, but besides that, not too bad. Boom! Tech Review Futures just hit you up in the DM. I slid you a code for a 50K Lucid Flex eval. Congratulations. Thank you for using code PINE. But yeah, just use that code, pick up an account. You're good. Pine reminds me of South Georgia. Nope. Maine. I'm a Mainer. But probably... Why am I getting feed pics, no codes? Wrong DM. That's the wrong DM. That's not me. That's a scammer. Thanks, Fred. Thanks for tuning in, Nasdaq. If you guys are just tuning in, I stream every single night for the Globex Open for a couple hours, and then from Sunday through Thursday, and then I stream on My Funded Futures every single morning. Tomorrow I'll be on at 9 a.m. Most days I'm on at 10 a.m. for My Funded Futures TV. So, thanks. I love the Lucid Flex accounts. Let's go. All right, 30 seconds before liftoff. Who knows? What do you guys think? Up or down? 1 if you think we're going up. 2 if you think we're going down. In the chat. Nobody. Everyone left. Everyone's like, the giveaway's over. I'm leaving. 2, I think we're going down. All right. I think we're going down. The initial surge. Well, not much of a surge, but we are dropping. Up and then down. Dad Trading Stonks, thank you so much. We are pushing down here. Come on, short. I'm short on the funded pro. See if we get a little push down. Up a little bit on this account for now. See if I get a little expansion. Kind of a slow Tokyo Open. A little strange here. A little strange. I mean, the volatility is starting to pick up here. Bottom of the range. I'm gonna risk what I'm up on this account. See if we get a little push down. I'd like to see at least push down into that half gap. 1 mini. Kind of just chopping a range at the moment. Trying to build upon what I'm up. Build upon utilizing that end of day drawdown. But kind of chopping this range at the moment. Come on. $28,600s. Let's get down below that open at 65. And popping right back up here. Kind of hanging out bottom of this range at the 5 minute. Right back to my entry. Come on, let's roll this bad boy over. I don't like how it's just not going. There it goes. Yeah, I'm out of this. That's gonna do it for me. 1,253 up on that. There it goes, you son of a. It just doesn't. You know, it's like if I'm in short, I want to see it like, I want to see momentum. I want to see some pushing down. Like this is kind of just choppy. Like it wants to just come down to the bottom of this range and pop right back up. So I don't know. I'm questioning it. As I say that, it's probably gonna. Probably drop 100 points, but up 1,253 on that pro funded, locked in a builder account. I think I'll know tonight or tomorrow. 30 bucks. Blew a Lucid, so full transparency. Blew that Lucid eval, and then hit 50% on this Lucid Direct. So thank you for everyone using code PINE. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. Lucid, Bulenox. Actually, matter of fact, let me check the Bulenox code here. I think I'm gonna do it. That's gonna do it for me tonight, and I'll be back at it tomorrow morning. What do we got going on for Lucid right now? Yeah, still 89% off Lucid. I mean, sorry, Bulenox. And of course, Apex as well. All right, I appreciate everyone's support. I'll see you tomorrow. You son of a gun. You're going to go down, aren't you? You son of a... I don't know why I think we break that low. I'm reminding myself in my mind right now that there's going to be plenty of good trades coming up. So I'm officially tapping out for right now. I'm starving. I'm going to go get some food, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Thanks for being here.
Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out APAC.